she came and told me that, Jwala, I'm scared to play with you. I did not like it. That I'm scared to play with you. I'm like, what rubbish. It happens, but Ashwini and me, I was very disappointed with her when one is after London. Uh, I don't know now, I don't want to blame her, but, I've always been this, as you said, elder sister or mother to her on court and off court regarding badminton. And she always knew that there were a lot of people who were targeting me personally, not her. Because she's that submissive types, and I'm not. People don't like that.
Okay.
And so we didn't part in a good term.
Okay.
In good terms, I mean,
Okay.
and I did not like. She came and told me that, Jwala, I'm scared to play with you.
Okay.
I'm like, dude, you played with me almost 10 years and you've won, we've done well. And someone like that saying that I'm scared to play with you, I did not like it. So I did not like, if she had the galls to come and say that, I want to play with somebody else, I would have definitely, because I did that with my previous partner. I don't want to cheat anybody, right? I want to, with Shruti also, I've had great memories, but somewhere I thought we got stuck, And then I told her, and her way of thinking was different. And I was like, and I was very ambitious.
Okay.
And I somewhere thought that the way she was training was not good enough or not in sync with me,
Okay.
And I told her
Yeah.
that, Shruti, I think we should, now move on from this. And I told her. And that's when I went and
To Ashwini.
I went and got Ashwini.
Oh, okay.
She was a junior player and she was not in the Indian team. She came into the Indian team when because I was in that privileged position to choose a partner.
Okay.
Because I was already world number 6 in mixed doubles. So they had to keep me in the team. So they didn't want to add 2 more girls.
Yeah.
So I just had to get a girl, and then there's one addition, the whole budgeting, government thing. And then Ashwini's entry to Indian team was very direct because of me.
Correct.
And not that I'm taking any credit, I saw something in her,
Yeah.
And I thought maybe it'll, give me fresh ideas playing with a fresh player and a new player.
Okay.
And because Shruti was like a year senior to me, so we were, whatever I said was not taken seriously, and I thought the junior will probably understand, and I can, she can grow with me. Now, which happened also.
Correct.
But then again, all these outsiders, she didn't realize that I've been playing badminton for a very long time, way longer than her. And then all this other things started popping up, I think, with her side, So, yeah. But I did not enjoy that, what she said. That I'm scared to play with you. I'm like, what rubbish.
So later, like again, you got to meet her or you are friends?
No, I'm that way very. Until she didn't even give any explanation.